Struggling to get that eye-catching 3D screen effect in CapCut PC? Don't worry. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to pull it off in just a few simple steps. To make your video more dynamic, let's add an animation first. Select the video clip from the timeline, then click on Animation. Scroll down and hover your mouse over each effect to preview them in real time. Once you find one you like, just click to apply it. Now play the video to check how it looks. Next, let's adjust the video scale for a better fit or dramatic effect. Again, select the video clip from the timeline. Click on the Video tab. Now use the scale slider to resize your video as needed. And that's your final result. A clean, animated video with the perfect scale.
Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.